Hola, hola, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you all about Día de los Muertos, or the Day of the Dead, so just keep on watching. Día de los Muertos is a traditional Mexican holiday celebrated on November 1st and 2nd. So Día de los Muertos is a day to celebrate the life that our loved ones or those who have passed, we use this day to celebrate the life that they lived. We honor them and we remember them on these days. On these days, we also create ofrendas or altars like the one behind me. They are used to honor and remember those who have passed. The Mexican culture believes that those that have passed, as long as they are remembered, their life lives on. Join me as I create my altar for my family and come and learn the significance behind why we put certain things on the altar.
Like I said earlier, Día de los Muertos is celebrated across 2 days, November 1st and November 2nd. November 1st is Día de los Angelitos, or the Day of the Angels. On this day, we remember all of the children who have passed. On November 2nd, it is Día de los Fieles Difuntos. On this day, we remember the life of all of the adults who have passed. Across Mexico, many people in different cities celebrate Día de los Muertos in various ways. Some people do parades, some people throw parties, but one thing's for sure, we are all remembering those who have passed as a celebration of life. On many ofrendas, you will find Papel Picado. Papel Picado is a banner made from tissue paper that has intricate designs cut out of it. Papel Picado represents wind, and it also represents the fragility of life. Throughout these days, you will see bright, vibrant colors displayed around these altars or ofrendas. These bright colors represent the joys of life. Again, this day is all about celebrating the life that our loved ones or those who have passed lived. Now I am placing a pitcher of water, a bar of soap, a wash rag, and a brush. These are here so that the spirits of our loved ones can cleanse themselves and prepare for the big day. Next, we are adding salt. The reason we put salt on the altar is because it cleanses these spirits and it purifies their soul during the following year. We also place a mirror on the altar so that the souls can have a reminder of who they were when they walked the earth. You will also find sugar skulls on the altar. Those skulls represent the inevitability of death, but the brightness of it honors and remembers the life that our loved ones have lived. Veladoras, or candles, are also placed on the altar to light the path and guide the spirits home. We place water or the favorite drink of our loved ones on the altar to help quench their thirst after their long journey. Now to begin placing personal objects for our loved ones. The reason we place a baby doll as well as infant items is because in our family we have children or babies who have passed away. This is for them. In our family, we also like to honor and remember our lost pets. Next, we place a picture of all of our loved ones who have passed. Each picture represents a member of our family who is no longer with us, but we honor and celebrate the life that they lived on these days. Incense on the altar can mean one of two things. One, to cleanse the souls of the spirits coming home, and two, the smell also helps bring them home. We are adding the finishing touches to our archway. The archway symbolizes the passageway from the land of the living and the land of the dead. Archways are normally made of cempasúchil or marigold flowers. The reason they are made of cempasúchil is because these are known as the flower of the dead. Their strong odor also helps guide these spirits home. Monarch butterflies are also used to decorate the altar. Monarch butterflies during this time migrate down to Mexico during the winter. People believe that these are the spirits of their loved ones coming to visit. Lastly, we place fruit or snacks, sometimes even food, on the altar for our loved ones to enjoy. We place petals on the altar so that when we make a flower petal trail, the spirits know that this is their altar for them. The flower petal trail that we create also helps lead them to the ofrenda. Another common practice on this day is that family members go and visit the grave sites of their loved ones. Once there, they clean their grave and decorate it. Many people also like to spend the evening, night portion of this day with their loved ones. Some people take food and have dinner with their loved ones. Others celebrate their life and have live music there. These traditions are passed down from generation to generation in the family. My mother taught me, and we are now teaching our nieces and nephews as well. This is a family event where we all love to come together, not only to create the altar and decorate the graves of our loved ones, but just to celebrate the life that our loved ones have lived. These days are all about a celebration of life. Now to leave the flower petal trail to guide them to their ofrenda. Many people believe that the spirits of their loved ones who have passed are there and present with them on these days.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you learned more about Dia de los Muertos. I hope you all learned something new on Dia de los Muertos. I hope you learned the significance behind this holiday and why so many people, not only in Mexico, but around the world, celebrate it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. If you have any other questions over this holiday or the altar, please leave them down below in the comments, and I will see you in my next video. Adios!